today I am going to be living up one of my last days in Tallahassee. So, okay, here's my guide to Tallahassee. This is the best place, the Railroad Art District. It's just like very pretty. And this is like the thrift store a lot of people go to. I am reminiscing. This is a parking spot that I used to sit in this parking garage at FSU before I dropped out. It's so weird to be sitting in this spot. I don't know. I think I should go drive through the campus. I haven't been there since I returned my drafting board. I haven't been there since then, and that was in like March, and now it's July. Goodbye, William Johnson building. I'm at my first job now. I hate this place so much. This was literally the worst place ever. There has never been a worse place than this place. It was horrible. Here is the second job I worked. The air conditioning was broken the entire time I worked there. Okay, so this is gonna be my like little like guide to Tallahassee, like things to do if you're like bored or like new here. So if we're going with like eating stuff, honestly the only place I like to eat is Bella Bella. I wish that they would have a Bella Bella in like every single city so that I could never be without it. I mean, if you're coming to Tallahassee for FSU, the only place that I ate in on campus was this Swanee room, and I honestly thought it was good, but other people have said it's really bad. But I thought it was pretty good. I mean, it's not like a 5-star restaurant, but it's not like unedible. There's a few things that are like they have Whataburger, and I know like South Florida doesn't have Whataburger, but I feel like Whataburger is not that good. Those have Guthrie's, which I know South Florida doesn't have that, and it's pretty good. So for other things to do, there's a cat cafe. I went there once. It was kind of cool. It was like a little cafe where you could just like pet cats. You had to like pay like a few dollars. And there's also, the only club that I've been into is 926. They have a drag show on the first Friday of every month, I think. I haven't gone to any of the other clubs. I know like the popular ones are like Recess. I know Ken's Tavern is like the white trash one. I don't know. There's a bunch of white trash ones, honestly. Like like half of the bars are white trash ones. Yeah, honestly, I would say that there's not much besides clubs. Like pretty much everything is a club. I'm like driving around and I'm like, what is there to do? But I can't go clubbing tonight because that's like that's all people do here. I can live it up by going to like a club. There is an automobile museum. I just drove to it, but after looking at it, I'm like, do I want to go in? I don't really care about cars that much, but like, Okay, here's how I'm living up my last day. I'm going on a date, but I'm moving tomorrow, so there is no point of going on a date, but I'm going on one. So I'm wearing sandals for once. I usually wear slides, but I'm like, does that cut a date? No, I probably have worn slides to a date before. I think I have, but we're good. Okay, that was the end of my video. I'm no longer in Tallahassee. I'm home now, but you know, it's okay. So thank you for watching. Goodbye. Watch some of my other videos. Bye.